Okay, I'm back. I'm going to rough up these edges. I sewed around it. And, where's that? I'm just going to hope this noise is not painful for you. But and back here I put some coffee dyed paper. Okay. And I don't know if I want to decorate it any more than that. All right, so let me get my eyelet. I'm just going to put it right above it. There. I think I should use like these vintage, I mean they're black. I don't know. No, they're not black. They're gray. I forgot what they call it. That color. Gunmetal gray, I think. All right. So let's see how this works. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh, so glad I got these. Okay. Now, that little piece of trim. Okay. There you are. You are there. I wonder if I should do a I feel like I'm all thumbs. Maybe it's because of the nails. I don't know. Okay, so that's just something that I'm going to leave. Let's see. Well, I'll leave that string on there just because it'll be cute. All right, you guys, I like this. I think it, without all the shred from the sanding, but I think that's going to be cute. I shouldn't probably use the word cute, but so now I have to do this side, but this is not going to be, this is going to be on the, you know, this page is not going to show the same time this one does. I got myself quite the mess here. Oh, that's another piece of stuff. Okay. This one here, where is that guy? I don't know. I might change this tag out so that one of these people can be inside there like that. I think he looks cool in there, doesn't he? Yes. I've had this forever. I had it in my ephemera to remake again, and I just never did, so I'm gonna use it. I don't know how I can. I guess I could just almost attach him, or maybe print another one of him. or maybe just make a different tag altogether. I don't know. But I'll see what I can figure out. I love those size tabs. Or not tab. What is it called? Tag. All right. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let you go. I know this is just a big mess, but I hope you get inspired, you know, to work on these. Go over and check out Joey Cardmaker's Ko-fi shop if you want to get the free ones, and then, or go take a look at his kit. They really, and there's a bunch of stuff. There's tags, there's, you know, he does it all. It's just that, I don't know that I'm going to use all of it, but see, this collage page is awesome. I could just put that right there, you know, or I could go this direction with it. Do a lot. Put a pocket on there and still get that grungy vibe. Okay, so that's it today for the Celtic Spirits, and I will be back to do another video as soon as I can. Okay, have a great day. Bye, guys.